So here's part 2 on how to start an online business with affiliate marketing / digital marketing. So next step is to find what type of product you want to promote. So basically you want to find a company that has a product that you really like to use, something you're very passionate about, something that helps you, right? And there's several ways you can find an affiliate program. 90% of companies out there have what's called an affiliate program, or also known as a referral program. These are free online applications that you sign up to partner with these companies and promote their products. So the first way to find an affiliate program is to type in the company name in Google. So in Google, you're going to type in whatever company you like. So here I put Ulta, and then the words you write are affiliate program. This could be Target, Walmart, Bass Pro, whatever company you like, then the words affiliate program. Enter, and then Google will show you, yes, they do have an affiliate program. You click on the link, and then you would just follow the instructions on how to sign up as an affiliate. Another way you can find an affiliate program is type in what you like to do. Either it's running or cooking or traveling or knitting or dogs or cat, whatever it is you like, and then the words affiliate program, enter, and then you'll see the several companies that offer affiliate programs in the area that you enjoy doing. The third way of finding an affiliate program is just go to the homepage of whatever company. Here I'm using Amazon as an example, and I'm on their homepage. And if you scroll down to the bottom of the homepage of any company, usually, doesn't work all the time, but usually you'll have something under one of these columns here where it says they can become an affiliate. And there is where you can become an affiliate. Now, there's one question that all these applications have, and they do ask, what is your website or what is your URL? That doesn't mean that you have to create a website or purchase a website, nothing like that. They just want to know, where do you plan to be promoting their products, right? And if you're using TikTok or Instagram or Pinterest, whatever platform you're comfortable with, that's what you put in the application as to your URL. So after you sign up and become approved and become an affiliate, the next step is to get back on their website and look for a product to promote. So my next part is going to be, what does that look like, picking a product, and how do you promote it?